there, tech groupies! Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech gadgets. Today, we have an extraordinary lineup for you as we're exploring the fascinating world of kinetic energy with 15 of the coolest gadgets around. From mesmerizing patterns and gravity-defying illusions to mind-bending physics demonstrations, we've got it all. So buckle up and get ready to be amazed because we're about to dive right into the world of kinetic gadgets. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. First up is Euler's disc. Inspired by the brilliant Swiss mathematician Leonhard Euler, this captivating disc spins on a mirror, creating hypnotic sounds and showcasing the fascinating principles of angular momentum and energy dissipation. The disc's mirror surface reflects mesmerizing patterns as it spins, gradually slowing down until it comes to a complete stop. The combination of visual and auditory effects makes this gadget an ideal conversation starter and a perfect addition to any tech enthusiast collection. It's the ultimate gadget for late-night physics debates and impressing your friends with the wonders of science. Next, we have the enchanting sand pendulum. This captivating gadget combines the forces of gravity and kinetic energy to create intricate, ever-changing patterns in a sand. As the pendulum swings, the fine sand below it shifts and swirls, forming an array of beautiful designs that evolve over time. Hang it in your office or your man cave to create a soothing, meditative atmosphere. The sand pendulum's hypnotic motion is not only visually stunning, but also provides a great way to unwind and let your mind wander after a long day of work. Additionally, it serves as an excellent tool for inspiring creativity and mindfulness. The sand pendulum is the perfect gadget to bring a touch of art, science, and tranquility to your space. For the history buffs out there, we present the Da Vinci Catapult. Inspired by Leonardo da Vinci's original sketches, this meticulously crafted miniature wooden catapult is not only a cool decorative piece, but also fully functional. You can launch small projectiles like paper balls or even marshmallows and compete with your buddies to see who has the best aim. The catapult's intricate design showcases Da Vinci's genius and serves as a nod to the ingenuity of the Renaissance era. Just make sure you keep it away from your fragile tech. It is a must-have gadget for any tech enthusiast with a passion for history and innovation. Get ready to be amazed by the magnetic gyro wheel. This ingenious gadget uses magnets and a spinning wheel to create the astonishing illusion of defying gravity. As the wheel spins at high speeds, the strategically placed magnets keep it suspended in midair, providing endless entertainment and a sense of wonder. It's not just a captivating toy, it also serves as a great educational tool, demonstrating the power of magnetic fields and the potential applications of this fascinating force. The magnetic gyro wheel is an incredible addition to any tech enthusiast collection, whether you're a seasoned scientist or simply someone who loves to discover the extraordinary in the ordinary. Introducing the classic perpetual motion drinking bird. This quirky little guy uses thermodynamics to continuously bob up and down, appearing to drink from a glass of water. As the bird's head dips into the water, the evaporating liquid cools the head, causing the fluid inside the body to be drawn up the neck. As the fluid flows back down, the bird tips forward, starting the process all over again. It's a fun, retro addition to any workspace, and it's sure to spark interesting conversations about the principles of heat transfer and perpetual motion. It's the perfect gadget for tech enthusiasts who appreciate both the educational and the entertaining aspects of kinetic gadgets. Feast your eyes on the mesmerizing kinetic art spinner. This captivating gadget features a series of interconnected gears that spin and rotate, creating a hypnotic dance of motion and color. The kinetic art spinner is not only a stunning piece of kinetic art, but also a fantastic way to explore the principles of mechanics and motion. It's perfect for anyone who appreciates the beauty of engineering and the elegance of design. With its unique blend of aesthetics and science, the kinetic art spinner makes a striking statement piece for any home or office. This remarkable gadget offers a truly immersive experience that will keep you and your guests entertained and intrigued for hours on end. Prepare to be entranced by the Vortex Dome. This fascinating gadget uses fluid dynamics to create a spinning vortex inside a transparent dome. The swirling motion is generated by a combination of gravity and the specially designed shape of the dome, resulting in a captivating display of physics in action. It's the perfect conversation starter for tech enthusiasts who appreciate the beauty of science and the artistry of motion. With its combination of visual appeal and scientific intrigue, the Vortex Dome is a must-have for any gadget collector or anyone who enjoys exploring the hidden wonders of the universe. Get ready to marvel at the power of the Stirling engine. This impressive gadget demonstrates the principles of thermodynamics by converting heat energy into mechanical motion. The engine operates through the expansion and contraction of a working gas inside a sealed chamber, driving a flywheel that generates motion. Its elegant design and intricate mechanics make it a captivating addition to any tech enthusiast collection. With its blend of scientific innovation and aesthetic appeal, the Stirling engine is a perfect gadget for those who appreciate the power of science and the beauty of engineering. Display it proudly in your home or office and watch as it sparks curiosity all around. Brace yourself for the unpredictable chaotic double pendulum. This mind-bending gadget demonstrates the principles of chaos theory. As the two pendulums interact in seemingly random ways, each swing creates a unique pattern, making it impossible to predict the next move. The chaotic double pendulum is a fantastic way to explore the fascinating world of nonlinear dynamics and the underlying complexity of our universe. Its captivating motion and scientific intrigue make it a great conversation starter and a must-have for any tech enthusiast who appreciates the beauty of chaos. You'll find yourself mesmerized by the ever-changing patterns and the intriguing unpredictability of the pendulum's movements. Whether you're a seasoned physicist or simply someone who loves to explore the mysteries of the cosmos, the chaotic double pendulum is sure to captivate and inspire you. Behold the ferrofluid sculpture. This remarkable gadget features a liquid infused with microscopic magnetic particles that respond to a magnetic field, forming stunning and otherworldly shapes. The fluid's movement and transformation create an interactive, ever-changing work of art that seems to defy the laws of nature. The ferrofluid sculpture is not only a captivating visual experience, but also an excellent way to explore the wonders of magnetism and the hidden forces that shape our world. Its blend of art, science, and technology make it the perfect conversation piece for any tech enthusiast's home or office. Experience the magic of ferrofluid and let your imagination soar. Prepare to be captivated by the timeless elegance of Newton's cradle. This classic gadget demonstrates the principles of conservation of momentum and energy using a series of swinging metal spheres. As one ball is lifted and released, the energy is transferred through the stationary balls, causing the ball at the opposite end to swing out and back. The mesmerizing back and forth motion of the spheres creates a soothing, rhythmic pattern that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Newton's cradle is not only a captivating display of physics in action, but also a beautiful piece of kinetic art that's perfect for any home or office. Its simple yet striking design is a testament to the enduring appeal of scientific discovery and the elegance of the natural world. Add Newton's cradle to your collection and experience the wonder of science, art, and motion all in one captivating gadget. Get ready to be blown away by the tornado tube. This fascinating gadget uses the power of fluid dynamics to create a mesmerizing miniature tornado inside a transparent tube. By swirling the water inside, you can create a vortex that closely resembles a real-life tornado, complete with air bubbles and swirling debris. The tornado tube offers a hands-on way to explore the science behind tornadoes and the incredible forces of nature. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts who appreciate the beauty and power of our natural world. With its blend of scientific intrigue and visual appeal, the tornado tube is a must-have for any gadget collector or anyone who loves to explore the hidden wonders of the universe. Add it to your collection and watch as it captivates and educates your friends and family. Feast your eyes on the captivating Moyer pattern spinner. This ingenious gadget creates mesmerizing optical illusions by rotating layers of intricately patterned discs. As the discs spin, they create stunning, ever-changing patterns that dance before your eyes. The Moyer pattern spinner is not only a visual treat, but also a fascinating exploration of the science behind optical illusions and the way our brains perceive patterns and motion. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts who love to delve into the mysteries of perception and the inner workings of the human mind. And wrapping up in a big way, the mysterious rattleback. This enigmatic gadget is a semi-ellipsoidal spinning top that when spun in one direction will smoothly rotate and come to a stop. However, when spun in the opposite direction, it will suddenly rattle, reversing its spin and start rotating in its preferred direction. The rattleback defies our intuition and offers a fascinating glimpse into the complex world of angular momentum, torque, and friction. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts who love to explore the mysteries of the universe and the unexpected surprises hidden within everyday objects. The rattleback is a must-have for any gadget collector or anyone who enjoys delving into the unknown. Add it to your collection and let the rattleback challenge your understanding of the world around you. And there you have it, tech groupies! 15 of the coolest kinetic gadgets around. We hope you enjoyed exploring the fascinating world of kinetic energy with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. And as always, thanks for watching.